Have you ever felt like you're throwing money at social media but getting nothing in return? You got the post, the fancy graphics, maybe even a team behind you. But where are the leads? Where are the sales? It's like having a Ferrari but not knowing how to drive. All that power and you're stuck in first gear. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your content into a lead generating machine without wasting time or money. Let's get into it. Let me tell you something, folks. People buy from people they trust. It's not about the product. It's about the connection. Think about it. When you trust someone, you believe in them. You're willing to invest in them. And that's exactly what we want from our audience, right? So build that trust. Content. Your content is your voice, your platform to show the world what you're about. It's about providing value, giving people something they can actually use. So stop trying to sell and start focusing on building relationships through killer content. You wouldn't walk into a room full of strangers and start rambling about your business, would you? You try to connect with people who actually care about what you have to offer, right? Social media is no different. You need to know who you're talking to. Who is your ideal customer? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Once you understand their struggles, you can create content that speaks directly to their needs. This isn't about you, it's about them. Imagine you're sitting down with your ideal client for a cup of coffee. What advice would you give them? What insights could you share that would blow their minds? That's the kind of content that creates a connection. Listen, nobody logs on to social media to be bored. They want to be entertained, they want to learn something new, and they want to be inspired. That's why your content needs to do all three: educate, entertain, and inspire. Educate by sharing your knowledge and expertise. Give them the inside scoop, the tips and tricks that make a difference. Become their go-to source for valuable information in your industry. Entertain by keeping it light, fun, and engaging. Nobody wants to be lectured to. Use humor, tell stories, and keep them hooked. When you can do all three, educate, entertain, and inspire, you create content that people actually want to consume. Let's ditch the old school thinking that you need to be posting every 5 minutes to stay relevant. That's a recipe for burnout, not success. Focus on quality over quantity. Instead of churning out mediocre content every day, focus on creating fewer, more impactful pieces. Spend time crafting posts that truly resonate with your audience. Think of it like this. Would you rather have 100 shallow conversations or a handful of deep, meaningful ones? The same principle applies to your content. When you prioritize quality, your audience can feel it. So slow down, create content that matters, and watch your engagement soar. Here's the truth. You don't need to be on every social media platform under the sun. In fact, trying to be everywhere is a recipe for mediocrity. It's like trying to be a jack of all trades. You end up mastering none. Instead, focus on the platforms where your ideal customers hang out. Where do they spend their time? What are they engaging with? Once you know where your audience is, you can tailor your content specifically for that platform. Remember, it's not about being everywhere. It's about being in the right places at the right time with the right message. So stop spreading yourself thin and start focusing your energy where it matters most. Now that you know where your audience is, it's time to master the art of reaching them. And the most effective way to do that? Ads. Just like choosing your platform strategically, select one ad platform to conquer first. If your people are on Facebook and Instagram, dive deep into Facebook Ads Manager. If they're on YouTube, become a YouTube ads expert. Trying to learn multiple ad platforms at once will leave you feeling overwhelmed and discouraged. Focus on mastering one, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. The more you understand about your chosen ad platform, the better equipped you'll be to target your ideal customer. craft compelling ad copy, and track your results. Pick your battleground and become a master of your domain. Imagine you're at a crowded party and someone shouts, "Hey everyone." Chances are you're going to keep right on walking. But what if they said, "Hey you, the one with the awesome taste in music"? You'd probably stop and listen, right? That's the power of speaking directly to your audience. Your ads should call out your ideal customer like you already know them. Instead of generic messaging, use language that resonates with their specific pain points and desires. Are you talking to coaches struggling to find clients? Say it. "Hey coaches, tired of chasing leads?" Are you targeting small business owners who want more customers? Tell them. "Attention small business owners, ready to explode your customer base?" When you speak directly to your audience, they feel seen and heard. So ditch the generic approach and start having real conversations with your ideal customers. Listen, people are bombarded with information every single day. They don't have time to decipher complicated messages or wade through walls of text. When it comes to your ads, keep it simple. Stupid. Your ads should communicate 3 things: the problem, the solution, and the call to action. That's it. What problem do you solve for your ideal customer? What solution do you offer? And what do you want them to do next? Don't overthink it. Use clear, concise language that gets straight to the point. Remember, you have a limited amount of time and space to capture attention. Make every word count. When you keep your ads simple and easy to understand, you eliminate confusion and increase the chances of people taking action. So ditch the jargon, cut to the chase, and watch your conversion rates soar. Think about it. Would you ask someone to marry you on the first date? Probably not. The same principle applies to converting leads. Don't scare them away by asking for too much too soon. Instead of going for the hard sell right off the bat, make the first conversion step small and easy. Offer a free resource like a downloadable checklist or cheat sheet. Invite them to follow you on social media for more valuable content. Encourage them to join your email list for exclusive tips and insights. The key is to provide value upfront and build trust before asking for anything in return. So ditch the hard sell, embrace the power of baby steps, and watch your conversion rates soar. Congratulations, you've attracted leads with your killer content and convinced them to take that first step. But your job isn't done yet. In fact, it's just beginning. Just like any relationship, you need to nurture your leads and stay top of mind. This means following up, providing consistent value, and reminding them why they were interested in the first place. Send personalized messages to new followers, engage with comments and questions, and continue to deliver on the promises you made in your ads. And don't forget about the power of retargeting. Ever notice how after you look at a product online, you suddenly start seeing ads for it everywhere? That's retargeting in action. Use retargeting ads to stay in front of people who have already shown an interest in your business. Remind them about your products or services, offer special promotions, and keep your brand at the forefront of their minds. So let's recap. Content builds trust and authority. Ads put your message in front of the right people. Convert by guiding your audience to take small steps toward buying from you. And if you're serious about taking your marketing to the next level, I've got something for you. I've put together a free ebook called The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing. This guide will show you exactly how to use AI tools to create content, run ads, and convert leads like a pro. Download it now at The Ultimate Guide to AI and digitalmarketing.com. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. Let's grow together. Until next time, shift your mind, shift your results.